That's how passionately I feel about Hamari Adhuri Kahani. Miss Vidya Balan, whose talent is par excellence, and every role that she has done so far has, I don't think anybody else in the entire industry could have done the role the way she has depicted herself in each role that she portrayed. So a big round of applause for Vidya ji. My God. Okay. Shalini ji. Since you said Vidya ji. Good afternoon, everyone. And thank you, Shalini, for the warm welcome. Camden Economic Summit. And she said we'd like to do a screening of Hamari Adhuri Kahani. Even before she could say, will you come? I said, of course, I'll be there. That's how passionately I feel about Hamari Adhuri Kahani. And to have so many beautiful women in one place, a film for women really, most importantly, I just thought it was a perfect fit.
Kahani itself, the word goes with you. It's happy for you.
Thank you. What can I say really? Hamari Adhuri Kahani is a love story primarily, but it is Vasudha's journey. Vasudha, the character I play, it's about how love helps her blossom, helps her come into her own. And I think all of us have experienced it or hope to experience that in life at some point. So at least as of now, I hope you experience and enjoy it in the film. Please enjoy Hamari Adhuri Kahani puri tarah se lekin. Thank you very much. Good luck and God bless.
I am satisfied with the kind of response we are getting for your latest film, and it looks like you are on a screening spree. Yesterday it was the CM of Uttar Pradesh, today is of course beautiful ladies.
We've come back from UP with great news that the film has been declared tax-free there, and Shalini Paraman, who's the now president of the IMC, asked me if I'd be able to come here because IMC wanted to do a special screening, and I said more than happy. It's a screening for all the women members, the women's wing of IMC. So I'm here. I'm enjoying the fact that people are enjoying the film.
It is in a sense a film for the women, like it talks about many issues and women in today's society. Do you think that kind of connected big time with the audience?
No, I think primarily it's a love story, and women love love stories, and like you said, it's really Vasudha's journey. It's how she comes into her own. She blossoms through the film, and I think that's why lots of women are connecting. Just day before yesterday, we got a call from Raipur saying out of 700 seats in the theatre, 500 seats were taken up by women. In the afternoon shows, and that's fabulous. That's very encouraging.
There's some good news for you. You will be in the governing council of the FTII now. How are you looking at this new role? And will you
I have accepted the invitation to be on the governing council of the FTII. I'm very excited because I have done a lot of student films at the FTII. So now this time around I will be on the other side. But having said that, we haven't had our first meeting, so it's too premature to say anything about what kind of engagements or commitments this will entail.
How do you react to the crisis currently going on at the FTII? Would you back the students on whatever?
Which is why I'm saying that it's too premature for me to comment on anything to do with the FTII at this point, because we haven't even had our first meeting. So I'll refrain from commenting.